And as I told you that every day if you spend, let us say 15-20 minutes on group task, that will be sufficient for you. So in 1 week, as of now, you are not to participate more than twice. In 1 week you come twice, participate, and then again come after one for the second per week, and improve upon whatever suggestion will be provided to you by me. Please work on that. And not only to you, listen to others also. Okay, this fellow has this advantage, this is a mistake by this fellow. So keep improving that and keep writing that in the copy which I told you. So dedicated copy for group task, and topic you have to write, and the conclusion of that you have to write, which I will give at the end. Now as and when we proceed, you will get to know more about these things. Now let me tell you, you must have seen the videos explaining the difference between group discussion and group task. Let me very briefly tell you, and then I give you a topic. So let me tell you, group task is actually a situation, a problem, a case study. I give you a problem. You have to think innovative way. And when you will be solving that, observer, that is me, now I am representing HPCL, I will be seeing that what kind of thinking you people have. And I will be seeing you as employee. Okay, should I hire this fellow? Has he this trait? Has he problem solving capability or not? That way I will be observing you participating in the group task. And when I said group task, you are part of a team. Suppose I am a professor, you all are now doing project under me. So you understand that you are to behave as a team. Group discussion mein you can debate, you can basically differ with others, and you may not reach consensus. But in group task, even if you have difference of opinion, at the end you are to provide a solution as a team. You are not to say no, what you are saying is wrong and I don't agree with you. Okay, if you don't agree with him, then what? Provide the solution. That is the method we have to follow. So in the group task, it looks like more as a collaborative effort. It looks like more coordinating effort. It looks like you are a part of team and you are discussing like that only. You are not to see the observer. So sometime I will hide myself here. But in actual, if observer will be sitting there, you are not to see him. You are not to address him. You are not to say sir. You are not to see at all toward you are the observer. You have to ignore him totally. He is observing as a third eye, and you are to talk among yourself. That is what you have to do. And now there are some starting points. Today what we will do, I will give you a task, and then I will ask you to introduce. Everybody will introduce for 2 minutes, and in the introduction you will say, good evening friends, good morning friends, my name is Abhishek, and let me introduce you to the task given to us today. Friends, the task given to us today is this. And आपने वो लाइनें पढ़नी नहीं है, आपको उसको अपनी लैंग्वेज में बोलना है. You have to speak in your own language after understanding the topic. So you understood the case study, and then you said this is the topic given to us. Friends, I think we can find out the solution to this. And in my opinion, then you give something you want to tell. Introductory statements, 1 or 2 lines. Okay, friends, now I open the house for the discussion among all of us, so that we come out to the solution for this. आपने इंट्रोडक्शन करके छोड़ दिया, उसके बाद मैं दूसरे के पास आऊंगा, वो भी इंट्रोडक्शन करेगा. ऐसे हर एक आदमी इंट्रोडक्शन करेगा. फिर मैं 10 मिनट का बीच में 10 minutes का we will keep a span in which you people will discuss among you and talk to you and listen to others and give your point, and then conclusion. 1 minute I will come to each one of you, and then you have to conclude. Okay, then we had a good discussion and we came to the consensus, some conclusion. We all agreed that this is how it is to be done, and then we have to conclude. So this is how we will proceed in this particular task now. So after this brief basically introductory session to all of you, now I give you a task. I give you a couple of seconds to think what you want to say. The task you will write in your copy very clearly, and keep sticking around the topic. Don't deviate from the topic. Keep sticking around and keep thinking what solution will you provide. Are you ready now? Anything you want to ask?
Yes, sir.
Anything you want to ask before we start and I give you the topic? Okay, so here we go. Please write this topic. This is the topic for your group task. You 4 are doing project. You 4 students are doing project in college. You 4 are doing a project in the college. One of you has not done anything. One of you has not done anything. You four are doing a project in the college. One of you has done nothing. All others have completed their task. All others have completed their work. Let me repeat. You four are doing a project in the college. One of you has done nothing. All other three have done their work. Very less time is left for submission. Very less time is left for final submission. What will you do? Very less time is left for submission. What will you do?
Sir,
Yeah,
can you please repeat?
Yes, yes, I will repeat.
Sir, I got disconnected.
I'll repeat.
Yes, sir.
What will you do? Let me repeat it. You four students are doing a project in college. You four are doing a project in the college. One of you has done nothing. So out of four, one has done nothing. Other three have completed their work. Other three have completed their work. Other three have completed their work. Now very less time is left for submission. Very less time is left for submission. What will you do? What will you do? So this is the situation given to you. So I'll give you 30 more seconds to think, and then come to one of you one by one. I will ask you to introduce for 2 minutes. Okay, so I think we start now. Gulshan, can we start from you? So take 2 minutes and introduce the topic for the task. Gulshan, you are not audible. Please unmute yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Gulshan and I'm glad to get an opportunity to be a part of group task, and we as a team assigned a problem which we have to solve, and we have to solve and reach to its solution. So first we have to understand what the problem is. Actually we have four problems, and it's time to it's very less time we have left to submit our submission, and one of our friend is not even started it. So so the here what we can do, first we will go there and talk to him why he has not started it. It might be possible that he is doing something else which is related to project, like but it is not related to submission. that that might that can be useful for all of our members. So we have to see the situation about him, what he has done in those days where we are preparing for our submission. And one more thing we can do is that and after that talking to him, we will try to help him, and we will make his submission also, and then we will submit them. And now I am opening to my remaining friend who they will say.
Okay, Gaurav. Gaurav, unmute yourself.
Good morning, friends. Let me introduce you to the topic which is given to us. The topic is we are a group of 4 students who are doing our BTech college project, and one of us has not done anything regarding the project. So, and very less time is left. So we have to decide what we should do. So I think we should first talk to him. What is the problem? Why he has not done anything towards the project? And it may be possible that he may be facing some personal problems or some technical problems that he may not be able to solve it. So, and that, as we know, the time is very less. So what we can do is we can divide the remaining the share of his work among the remaining 3 members of the group, and complete it well within the time and submit the project. Thank you. And now I invite my remaining friends to please join the discussion.
Okay, Abhishek.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Abhishek Gupta, and we are here to discuss. We are here to solve a problem that one of our friend has not completed his work, which is assigned to him, and the deadline for submission, project submission, is coming near. So, according to me, before taking any action toward to the person, we should take that part and distribute that part into the other 3 friends and complete it, because the deadline is coming very near. And after the completion, we can ask him why he has not completed his work. So I am opening this topic to my other friends to put their suggestions on it.
Okay, SK.
Good evening, everybody. My name is SK Bhayul Islam, and today I am going through the topic, which is we are a team member of 4, and we are given assigned a project. And basically, we one of our team members have not done anything till yet, and we have to submit our project within very few time. So here, the most important thing is that whenever we cannot blame him, because even we are we are also responsible for that, because we are also not telling him that we should take part in that project basically. So first of all, without blaming, what we have to do is we have to make him understand whatever projects which we have done, and if any part is remaining, then we have to complete it. And other thing is that whenever we are submitting the project, suppose today I came to know about this thing, and tomorrow I have to submit the project, and there are some foreign faculties may also be there where we have to give our presentations basically. So what we have to do, at first we have to do our introduction, and after introduction, if any part element is left, then we should give him to discuss it with our faculty members, so that our impression do not get disoriented, because that will lead to the reduction of our marks. And apart from that, if foreign faculties are there, it will also reduce our impression of the college in front of him. So this thing should not be done. We should not quarrel among ourselves. And apart from that, what we can do is, after our project is completed, we can actually discuss with him that what project we have done, so that whenever he is going for higher studies, he do not face any problem, and he should explain the problem properly. So what I feel, these things should be kept in mind. And apart from that, let's see.
Prajwal.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Prajwal Srivastava, and today I've given the chance to introduce the topic. We are a group of 4 students, and one of our friends, we are assigned a project, and one of our friends does not done the his task. So according to me, we will firstly talk to that friend. What is the reason? Means what is the reason behind why he has not done the project? There may be any personal reason or maybe some other reasons, and if we will the other 3 friends, as the time is coming, as the deadline is very near, we will discuss, we will redistribute the project work among ourselves, and we will try to complete the project in much before means as soon as possible before the deadline. And if in case we are not able to do that also, means we are not able to do the project in time, we can talk to our project coordinator, means sir, if he can extend the deadline of submission. So I think that can be done according to me. And I open the house of discussion.
Okay, Madhav.
Good evening, friends. I am Madhav. I would like to introduce you to the topic that have assigned to us. One of our friends has not completed his project. As the deadline for final submission is there, we have to what further we have to do. So first of all, I would like to educate him and get seriousness to him about the situation he is going through. I would say him that the time is less practically, but it is not impossible to complete the work. I would also help him and make sure other team members also help him in their free times for the work is complete, for his work to be completed. The house is open for the further discussions. I hope we can find a solution. Thank you.
Okay, now I think we go to SKP.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Shubham, and let me introduce you to the topic that has been given to us, the task that has been given to us. Basically, the main scenario is that there are four people who have participated in making a project, and what is happening here is the fourth person has not actively participated in the project. So eventually, we are having a very small time left to complete the project. So there is no point of having a blame game here. We cannot simply go and blame a person for not completing the project. What we have to do here is eventually we have to take up this responsibility, because that is something in favor of our team spirit. And we will distribute the work, and later on, if the work has been completed successfully, we will just try to find out the reasons and all the things that is actually going through that person's life. If something bad is happening or something good is happening, we have to ask him that how we can further support the team. So I open the house of discussion for all the people here. Thank you.
Okay, Deeptanu.
Good evening, friends. My name is Deeptanu. I am very glad to be the part of this group task. We have given a task to find out the solution, which is we four are doing a project in college. One of our friends are not doing anything in that project, and all of the three people are done, but we have a very less time, and we have a very less time. As in my opinion, first of all, we have to first complete the remaining work at first, because as the time is very less, if we at first, if we discuss why he has not done, we cannot meet the project time. So, in my opinion, we have to first complete the project. Then we should ask him why he has not done his work. So maybe he has some reasons, maybe some technical reasons, or maybe he has some serious issue, and we have to inform this thing to our mentor who is guiding the project. Because in future, if we not inform him, if he knows some in other else, it will be a very bad impression to us. And and we can also proceed to our mentor that he is not doing the work for maybe some technical reason. We can increase our project time also. So now I'm invited everyone to discuss on this project. So I open the house for discussion. Thank you.
Okay, Del, what is your name, Del?
Shashank Chauhan.
Sorry, Shashanta.
Shashank.
Shashank, go ahead.
Yes, sir. So good evening, all of you. I am Shashank Chauhan, and I am glad to got the opportunity to open this discussion. So as we all know, the topic of this task is that we are basically a group of 4 students, and we are assigned a project under a particular teacher, and one of us has not done anything. So in my opinion, this is one of the most common problem that all of the students face in India generally. And the basic problem behind this is the lack of communication among the students. So first thing that we should all do, that we should establish a well communication among us, and we should identify the problem, that what is the main reason behind his not doing work. Most probably there were some reasons because of which he was not able to do work, and and also we should also contact to our project coordinator about this problem. So now I invite all of you to join me on this discussion.
Okay, I think everybody has introduced the topic, and now we are entering into the second stage, which is the discussion among all of you. So that stage will be for 10 minutes approximately. And in this stage, you people are to talk among yourself and listen to others and agree to them, disagree. If you disagree, then you provide the solution. So since it is a group task, I expect a very smooth discussion among all of you, where you are trying to find the solution. And then last stage will be conclusion stage. So please go ahead now.
Friends, I would like to add a point
Uh,
that individual failure is considered as a team failure in any project. So it is our duty to make sure that our friend is doing his work to complete his project.
Yeah,
I
friend.
agree
But
with you,
let's think this way. Actually, let's my friend thinks this way. Actually, the thing is, if it might be possible that in this sort of time, it might be possible that we cannot complete the submission. So, as my friend Sushant told about that, it is not a big issue that that one person can not be free about and cannot complete their project in within time. So we can contact with our coordinator, our project coordinator, and we should let them get informed about that one of our friend is due to some reason he has not completed, so that they can give some allowance, or we will get some extra time to complete the
yes, Gulshan, I
their
am agree
submission.
with you.
Sorry,
Yes, Gulshan, I
sorry
am
to
agree
interrupt
with
you.
you.
Can I
Okay, I'm
speak?
with
Yes, yes, yes.
I'm with him.
Yeah.
I would like to mention one point. I would like to mention one point that it is not the time to play blame
Okay.
game. Okay. Suppose in any World Cup, Virat Kohli gets out on 0. So we will not say that due to Virat Kohli, the Team India loses. We will say it is a complete lose or a complete victory over some other country. So I think the project should be done as a particular team, as one team. So if
Just,
one is not able to
yes,
complete
yes.
his work,
Yes.
I
Yeah, I
agree with you,
agree with
but
you, Sushant.
Actually,
Maybe,
the
it
project
it is
is
our
all about
certain-
4 people.
also that
It is
to take care that others are
it is
But
doing
not
now,
only
their
for
now
one.
you are
work
wasting,
also.
you are
Everyone did,
wasting
but
your
at
time
first that we have
in
very
blame
less
gaming.
time, we had to. No, we are not playing as we
We are
have a
wasting our
very
time,
less
our
time.
crucial
At
time.
first, we have to
Complete our project, I
first
think.
complete the remaining work by dividing between
Yeah,
us.
actually,
Then
Yeah,
that
yeah,
after
that
sure.
that,
what
We
I am
can
it
complete
saying.
is
the
not
project.
possible
It,
that
it
we cannot
yeah
dividing after dividing that whole work.
We
Then
can
if
divide
not
among the
possible,
4
then we have to
peoples.
ask the mentor that we have
yeah
facing
it
this
might be
problem.
possible that it cannot complete in our 4 people. It might
Yes,
be very large submission and we cannot complete it because we have to assume here
Mm.
it. So I think it would be a good thing to contact with project coordinator.
But I
Whenever
to
think,
I,
contact the project coordinator,
Acha, okay.
first we
I
have to
think we
talk to
should put
with
our effort. After
him
that, we
that
will
why
see
he
the
has not
results.
completed.
Yes, I
See,
completely agree with
basically, what I
Abhishek.
have seen till now, actually, I totally support the viewpoint of Abhishek because, in the task itself, it has been clearly written that, we are having a very small time left.
Small
And,
time, yeah.
if you're
Yeah,
having a very small time left, you cannot
Yeah.
play the blame game as Sushant told. Because, you cannot, it's again the team spirit, first of all. And at the end of the day, we want the project to be completed as fast as possible and as
Possible.
accurately as possible.
Yeah, I
We cannot
totally
waste
agree
the
And
with
time
I
you.
of
want to add on
complaining
one
here.
point
Yeah,
also.
I'm
I think
asking
so.
you
We
have
should
to divide
proceed
the
with
work what is remaining,
what we have
Please tell
then
the
start
manager.
working on the work. If that
Yes,
in
exactly,
that stipulated
exactly.
time
Can
if
I put
not
one
possible,
point?
then we have
one thing I want to add
to
here,
discuss with
one
the
thing I want
mentor
to
to
add
give
here.
some
Yes.
additional time.
One thing I want to say that whenever you are starting a project, the coordinator who is there with you is actually at first introducing yourself to the project basically. And whenever you are working, it's not that you are working in a dissected way. So one of the person when he's not working, we will be aware of the fact means from great time ahead. So basically what I want to say that when anyone has not worked, it will not be an uphill task that we have to do an entire new sets of operations basically. So what we have to do, just we have to complete whatever works you have left, because you know that someone
Yes,
is
yes,
doing
yes.
on the graphical work,
This was I am.
someone is working on the
Yes, I
conclusions.
agree with you, Gaurav.
That is the
Yeah,
only
yeah.
We can
I am
divide
agree with
it.
you. Totally, I am
I
agree with you.
completely I agree with him.
And I want to add one
what
point.
Rahul
Can I?
said about that one.
Yes, proceed,
Let
Abhishek.
Can I
let me
add,
speak
please?
actually.
Okay, please.
Actually, yeah, we already aware about him that he is not, he has not completed the project. So we we give him a very little thing which he can work at. Okay, so
I would
want to
like
add one
to add
point.
a,
I want to add one
please
point.
tell.
Abhishek, you
That
wanted to add?
talking to the mentor will not help you, because it is our mistake that we have
But
not
if not
communicated
possible
to
that
the
in the
same
time
person.
that work, then
We have
after
not
that
wasted our
we
time.
can proceed to the mentor.
We can-
Yes, we cannot
But
waste our time.
mentor will not
That's
help
why
you.
we have to divide the work in
Yes,
between
yes,
us.
yes.
We have to divide
Yes,
our
yes,
own.
I
We have to
agree.
work
divide
as a
the
team,
work.
as single
Divide our
team.
own and start work. If we start
Working,
the
yeah.
blame game, then it will be very bad impression for
Yeah.
our team also.
Yes, yes,
Team
yes.
also, and
Yes,
also we are
agree,
wasting
one
a lot
more
of
point.
time.
Our
It's the
mentor,
basic
And
idea.
it will not
be
That
affected
thing
by
that
our
thing is
idea.
discussed only. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
an
I
it's-
issue.
agree with
Everyone,
Deepthanu,
right,
and I
I
would
think we
like
can
to add
almost
a
agree
point
on the
that
point that
we
we
can
should
work
divide the
is
remaining work, and we can finally
Yeah,
submit
it's the
the
yeah,
project.
it's the
We can
basic
reach to the
idea.
Yes, so
coordinator.
final
So I
He
think
can help us.
this
He
point
can
is
help us if
on
that.
this point
If
every
I
member
would-
of our
okay.
group agree. So I
I
think
would like to
this
add
yeah,
one.
should be
I would like to
yeah,
add
this should
Gaurav
be
has
a one
said
of the
Okay.
a very true point that if we contact with our project coordinator, he can also help us to complete our submission. So I think
Yes.
it is a good thing to talk with him. He can also help
He-
us to complete the project in very
Yes,
short
yes,
time,
yes,
short
sir,
period
yes.
of
yes,
time.
He
yes.
can
I
be
also agree with your
coordinator. He
point.
can
That
help
Can I
us.
also
He
add
can
one
help
point?
us, and he can tell us how in
He
what
can
bare
take the
minimum we can
help.
do. What bare minimum task we can perform in the submission.
Yeah,
Means,
yeah. So under someone
And
Yeah, I
guidance,
would
So,
like-
guys,
think
I
perform
think
very
so.
well in
I
What
would-
very
I
short
would-
we should
period of
actually
time.
discuss that how can we utilize that fourth person in the best way possible. If
Best.
there is
Yes,
any
yes.
chance of utilizing him, what do you guys think in this
Yeah,
situation?
and one of
Yeah, yeah.
one of my
I would
friends-
agree
one
with
of my
Last
SK.
friends-
You're
I
saying
would like to add
very
a
right.
point that
We have to
work is
utilize it
divided in a such a way
One
in the
of
that
my
best way
friends-
possible.
everyone gets
In
their
the best way
10
possible.
topics to complete.
Yeah, one of
Mhm.
my friends mentioned that it may be the possible case that he is doing on some other thing. But that may
Mhm.
also be the possible case that we can talk to him that what he's doing
Mhm.
right now.
Yes,
So we
this
can
is
take help
this
from
is
this
also
also.
can possible that what is his problem, why he has not
Yes.
completed the work.
Yes, yes. So first
Maybe
of all,
some
the basic,
No,
the
I'm-
basic
maybe
idea.
they are.
we
Sorry
should
to interrupt you.
listen
Can
his
I
idea.
add one point?
Yes, yes, please.
If
Sure.
you ask him why he has not completed, you are wasting your time. I am saying that first complete the project,
No, no.
put your all
I'm-
effort.
No,
I'm
Abhishek,
Yeah, I
saying-
agree
I
with the
think we
point.
should
Ask
Agreeing
him,
that
or
we
you
are
can
doing
complain
the
After
also.
the project completion, we
by
can
dividing
complete-
it.
we
then
can
also
ask him why he has
simultaneously
not done
completion.
ask him that
I'm
After the
why he
completion.
is not.
I'm saying that first establish the communication, then
Yeah.
divide the task, among ourselves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Without
Yes, yes, yes.
doing any blame
I am
gaming.
agree with
Yeah.
But after the
Yeah,
task, we
yeah,
should
definitely,
after the
Dipanshu,
submission, we
definitely.
will ask him why what
Yeah,
is the
yeah,
reason.
yeah. Yeah.
After the completion, we can do it.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I think this
So I
the
think
So,
we
basic-
all
finally-
have discussed about what we have to do at the last position. So I think we can.
I want
Yeah,
to
we
add
can
one
basically
point
conclude
also.
this
Can I
thing.
add?
We can basically
Everyone is
conclude
agreeing
that.
that first of all we have
And
to
we should
divide the
also not
remaining
complain
work
to
and
the
start the
mentor.
project.
SK, you were
I think
proceeding
we
with
should
the
not also complain to
conclusion.
the
yes.
mentor about
I
that
completely
person.
I agree with the Abhishek because mentor is the last thing to do.
Last in to
If,
do.
if we
We
are
can
going
take
to
the
mentor, then-
guidance. We can
Yes,
take the
yes.
guidance.
He can
And
guide
going
us
to
in
mentor is
the
the
best
actually-
way.
Actually, he is our senior, so he definitely know about the thing
No,
Yeah,
what we are
no,
doing.
No,
So
no.
he
You-
definitely
You can
help
take
us.
the help, but don't complain about the fourth person.
Yeah, because that is going to
See,
affect our
that is
team
against
spirit.
the team
Yeah,
spirit.
That is
yeah,
against
that
the
is the
That's
thing.
against the
Yeah,
team
as a
spirit.
We cannot
we should
Totally against
go
the
for
team
team spirit.
complain
Yes.
about him that he has not done anything. Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
that is the
Yeah, yeah.
good
You are
thing.
right.
We cannot complain
I
about him
completely
because
agree
it
with
will
the
impact
Completely
bad
agree with Gulshan.
impression on our project.
You know,
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shashant took the example of Virat Kohli. You always see if the person, player perform badly or, they don't perform up to the mark, he never takes that to his heart or he never complains. He just shows that, we are
Yeah.
And
performing
the
at the
whole
best and
team take the
optimal level.
responsibility
We are
for
And
a
that's
team.
the.
what
Yeah,
we
we are
have
a
to
team.
do here. As a
We are
team
a
player,
team.
we have to do
Yeah.
that.
We
As a
have
team, we
to
have to work.
As a
all
team, we have
as a
to
team we have to
maintain
work
our
together.
team spirit also.
And in the end, only result matters. It not matters that who is doing work
Yeah,
and who is
and-
not
Working
doing
or
work.
who is not
What
for
matters the
discussion.
project.
I
as-
agree with you. I think
as
most
I
of us
already
agree
mentioned
on,
about-
All that matters is
very
the
good
team
point.
performance.
So we can conclude the
Yeah.
one of
Yeah,
us
we
can
can
conclude.
Yeah, basically
S-
that I'm
SK
saying that
SK
we
But
there is no need of
after the project completion, what can we do? Like we can complain to the mentor or something other, or we
Yeah,
can
we-
talk to the that person.
I think
We have
we
said
should
about
avoid
this
It will
thing.
be very
this
bad
part.
impression for our team. We
Yeah,
cannot
and
complain,
See,
but we
the
can
thing
take
is
help
that
from
One thing
the
about
our
the
mentor.
project
further
we have
coordinator
complaint, like
denied about it. It might be possible that our project coordinator can deny it about it, that I will not help you as you are
no,
very
no,
lazy.
I'm
Why
saying
you not?
after completing
Yeah,
the
but we
project,
cannot
we should
complain.
complain, na. Otherwise, it would be a
Why
problem in
we?
future
No,
also.
no. Actually, it is
A person is doing
our.
intentionally.
After the project, there is no sense of complaining, na. The project
No,
is
no,
Yeah,
limited.
it
there
could
is
be a
no
minor
sense of
project also, na. It could be a
complaining.
minor project
It might
also,
be.
na. It could be a minor project, or you can.
See,
But
actually,
once the
Abhishek, what you have said that
Yeah.
we have to complain or not, but what I personally feel that we actually don't know the situation the person is going through
Yeah,
right
yeah.
now.
After
He might
after
be,
That,
you know,
that
We
he
have to
might
know
not do
the
the work
situation
because
he
of
has
some
done it
personal
intentionally or not.
going.
If he has
we
not done
don't
reason.
know
Going
actually.
through.
We are
intentionally or
just
not.
We actually
assuming that
don't know.
he.
So, you know,
Yeah,
we
yeah.
have to
After
keep that
talking to
part
him.
Before
aside.
complaining, we have
We
to
have
Yeah,
to
yeah.
keep that
that
part aside.
person.
I think that we should not involve that part. Now we have, I think so, finally concluded that, okay, we are,
Yeah.
what we are going to do is the three of the people that are in the group, we are going to make
Yes,
the
yes.
project. Okay. And
Yes, we
after
divide the
that, we are going
remaining
to
work and
see
make
I
the
whether the
think
project
I
person
complete.
think
Okay, so
has
let's
actually
conclude
participated
now.
or
Try
not.
to
Yeah.
achieve.
Let's conclude now. One by one, I'll come to you. Gulshan, please conclude within 1 minute.
Uh, Sir, as we had a very nice discussion here, and at last we are near to result that we can conclude that first what we can do. First we make submission. First we go and contact with our project coordinator, and I will say about our submission that one of my friend has not completed it, and I will take help from him, and then we all 5 members complete the project and submit to the project.
Okay. Gaurav?
Friends, I think we had a very good discussion, and all of us were agreed on most of the points. And I would like to conclude on behalf of the team that we will ask our friend who has not done his work, and we will try to know the reason for his not completing the work, and divide his work among the other 3 members of the team, so that we can submit the project well within the time. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, Abhishek?
After listening to the valuable suggestions from my fellow mates, I can conclude on the behalf of my team that we should not complain to the mentor, rather than we should divide our work among 4 of the people and should try to complete the project remaining work in the best time, in the deadline possible, and we should maintain the team spirit.
Okay. Now, SK?
So basically, the conclusion which we have derived is, at first we will have a discussion among ourselves, and we will try to distribute the work and try to complete it if it is possible. And if it's not, then we will definitely consult with our professor, so that he can help us. If he is helping us, then we can complete it on time. And in this way, we will complete it. And after that, we will have a consultation with him. And if he is such kind of a guy that he is not working with us, not willing to work with us, then we may think in future, and we may change him, or we may work with him on, as the situation permits. That's it. Thank you.
Okay. Prajwal?
Yes, sir, we had a very good discussion, and we all came to the conclusion that firstly we will try to complete the project in the minimum before the deadline, and if it is not possible, then we shall take the help of our project coordinator if he could help, and after that we will try to find out the reason of why our friend has not been able to complete his task.
Okay.
So, yes, sir, that's it.
Okay. Madhav?
We have a fruitful discussion, and we have a conclusion that we should complete the work as soon as possible, as the time is less. What did he done in recent times is not mandatory now. So finishing the task is mandatory, and we can take the project guide help if he is not willing to help us. So we should complete the project in the specified time. Thank you.
Okay, now SKP.
So I won't like to conclude in a following manner that there are few basic inferences that we came through this conclusion. The first thing is, with what we all agreed is, we will first take that work and divide it into all the three people, because we have to complete it as soon as possible. Now, once we have did that, the second thing we are going to do is we are going to sit with that person and clear out the confusion, whether he's unnecessarily not doing the work or there is some personal problem behind that. And the third and the most important situation is, if he is doing unnecessary anything, then we have to ask our coordinator to take certain actions against him or not, so that in future he will also be a bit more concerned towards the given project, and he will also be having a good participation towards the given project. So that is my conclusion. Thank you.
Okay, Deeptanu.
Yes, sir. We had a very fruitful discussion. After the discussion, we have reached a conclusion. Various conclusion. First one is that at first we have to complete the remaining tasks, dividing between us. After that, we have to. And second thing is that we have, after completing the task, we have to sit with that person why he has not why he has not done his work. He has some personal reason or some technical, maybe some technical reason or some other reason. That's it from my side. Thank you.
Okay, then Shashank.
Yes, sir. So it was a very healthy discussion, and we came on a conclusion that first of all, the first step is to establish communication with him. As my friend Abhishek said that it might be possible he is doing some work and he is busy in some other things. And then based on this, we have to divide that work among us. And as one of my friend SK Islam mentioned, that there is no need to go to mentor before completion of the project. First of all, we have to show a team spirit, and submit our project. And then we can take a lesson from that we do not have to choose this person as our team member.
Done. So everybody has, I think, concluded. Okay. So now let me tell you the feedback of this discussion. See, first thing is like in any group task or something. First thing is like you should talk. That is the most important thing. If you want to prevent the elimination, then at least talk. Because as you know, this in HPCL, this is an elimination round. That means if you will not speak anything, certainly he's going to eliminate you. Certainly you are not going to get anything, because 40% you have to score. If you don't speak anything, you score nothing. And if you don't speak nicely also, that then also he can give you less than 40%. We don't know that, because this time they have very clearly mentioned तुम्हें 40% स्कोर करना है, तो 40% वो देगा नहीं. ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ भी बोलोगे तो 40% दे देगा, मेरे को नहीं लगता. तो एलिमिनेशन को प्रिवेंट करने के लिए what I think is structure is something which you have to follow. And what is the structure is like you have to rote memorize certain lines, you have to remember certain lines, that how to make starting, how to enter in between, how to move your head, how to keep on nodding, how to agree to others, how to disagree, and how to conclude. वो एक basic structure is something which will give you 20 to 30% marks. And then whatever you speak, whatever you listen to others and give relevant point, that also will provide you some marks, and you will score more than 40%. So now what is the structure is like, whenever topic is given to you, you try to introduce, because in actual situation, only one fellow may introduce, not everybody. Though there can be different version of this group task, but I am going to train you in particular version. So if you get trained in that, other version can also you can adopt. So and one of you is to introduce there. Take the opportunity and introduce, and then you say, friends, I'm happy to take this opportunity to introduce all of you to the task given to us today. Friends, the task given to us today is this. So explain the task. Explain that in your terms, in your words. Not read line to line, but in your words. And then you say something about that particular task in the direction in which you want the discussion further. So say something so that others start speaking in that particular direction. And then the second body part will start listen to others, add to their point, disagree to them. And then conclusion is not your conclusion. It is the conclusion of entire group. So you should actually speak something like that. Friends, we came to the conclusion, like Deeptanu said this, Gulshan said this, and Madhav was of this opinion. So if you remember the names, or I think sometimes they give you chest number, one, number 1, number 2, number 3 member. So instead of saying my friend, you say participant, one of the participant, or one of the member of the group task team. So one of the member was of this opinion, member number 4 said this, member number 2 said this, something like that. You can name and you can speak what everybody said, and then conclusion can be done. Now let me come to each one of you first, and then I tell you what should be done. If I talk about Gulshan, then Gulshan, आपका flow problem है. You have the problem of flow. You are not very comfortable in English, and you are not in position to speak out. I don't think there's Hindi is any problem there, but try to speak in English as of now. So remember those 2-3 lines and rote memorize करो उनको, जो शुरू वाली lines है, introduction वाली. एक बार आपने वो lines को बोल दिया, उसके बाद हिंदी में भी अगर आप बोलोगे, it won't be trouble actually. So you start remembering those lines. Okay, good morning friends, my name is Gulshan, and I take the opportunity to initiate the discussion on the task given to us today. Friends, the task given to us today is this. तो वो गुलशन थोड़ा एक स्पीड में 2-3 लाइन बोलने की ट्राई करो, और बीच में कुछ लाइनें और याद रखो, जैसे यस यस यू आर राइट, आई थिंक आई मस्ट ऐड टू योर दिस पॉइंट, आई मस्ट ऐड टू योर दिस पॉइंट. तो ऐसी कुछ लाइंस याद रखो जो तुम स्पीड के साथ बोल सकते हो बीच में. तो आपका एक फ्लो प्रॉब्लम है जो बोल बोल के ठीक हो जाएगा, और स्ट्रक्चर की लाइंस को तैयार करके ठीक हो जाएगा. एंड आपने प्रॉब्लम को एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया, जो आपको टास्क दिया गया था, यू कुड नॉट एक्सप्लेन दैट प्रॉपर्ली. आप इसको कल सुनना अपना सारा डिस्कशन, तो आप अपना पॉइंट देखना कहाँ पे तुम बोल रहे थे, कहाँ पे स्कोप है. आपका आपने बीच में भी डिस्कशन किया. आपके बारे में अच्छी बात यह है कि आप बोलते रहे. यू केप्ट ऑन स्पीकिंग, यू केप्ट ऑन पार्टिसिपेटिंग. दैट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट. देयर आर स्टूडेंट्स हु स्पीक वेरी वेल बट दे डोंट स्पीक, एंड देन देयर आर स्टूडेंट्स हु डू नॉट स्पीक वेरी वेल. फ्लो नहीं है लेकिन दे ट्राई टू स्पीक. So second category is better. If you are very good in speaking, you can speak, but you are not speaking, I'll not give you marks. But if you are not in having very good flow, or you have English as a problem, so but still you are trying, that means you are okay. That means you are in. So try to do that. So Gulshan, that was a flow problem for you. And conclusion also was not good. Gulshan, you could not conclude on behalf of entire team. Most of you have given your own points. So ये जो GT कल जब आप इसको सुनोगे GT को, तो आप देखना जो आप इंट्रोडक्शन में बोल रहे हो वही कंक्लूजन में भी बोल रहे हो, जो तुम्हारे दिमाग में शुरू में था. जैसे अगर मैं दीप तानू की बात करूं, तो दीप तानू वाज ऑफ द ओपिनियन के we should first complete the project, and Deep Tanu kept that in introduction also, in the body also, in the conclusion also. So in the conclusion, other than your point, you have to basically add the points of other candidates also. So that also is to be done. So that is the main trouble with your question. You have to improve upon that. Gaurav then explained the topic, and he said that why basically he in the topic he said that we should focus on why he did not solve the problem. Now, and he also said that we should divide this work among us, and then we should try to solve this. That was what opinion Gaurav had. Gaurav, yes, now you could speak, you could talk, but then it is also very important that what solution you are giving in the task problem. ग्रुप डिस्कशन में तुम क्या बोल रहे हो वो चाहे उतना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं होता, लेकिन टास्क में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, बिकॉज टास्क में वो तुम्हारा स्किल्स चेक करता है, एनालिटिकल स्किल्स, एंड व्हाट इज योर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल. तो गौरव तुम्हारा पहले हमें देखना चाहिए कि व्हाई ही डिड नॉट सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. ये वाला लॉजिक गलत था. मैं बाद में एक्सप्लेन करूंगा कैसे गलत था. तो आपको ये इसके फोकस नहीं करना चाहिए, आपको फोकस किसी और चीज पे करना चाहिए था इस प्रॉब्लम में. एनीहाउ आई विल कम टू दैट पार्ट लेटर ऑन. बाकी फ्लो इज ओके, आप बोल पा रहे हैं गौरव, लेकिन यू शुड स्पीक मोर एंड मोर इन द एक्चुअल टास्क. ट्राई टू इंक्रीज द पार्टिसिपेशन एंड स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग मोर. इफ आई कम टू अभिषेक नाउ, so Abhishek was we should complete the work first and we should ask him later on. I think that is what he said in the introduction. He said talking to the mentor will not help, so that is the stand he was taking. But Abhishek could not conclude well. Abhishek could not said good. Abhishek actually बात अच्छी कर रहा है, he has a speaking skills, but he is not speaking. So उसमें hesitation है अभिषेक में. मे बी वो बाकी उसको बोलने नहीं दे रहे हैं, ये वो इनर्शिया है उसके अंदर, और वो इनर्शिया के चलते बोल नहीं पा रहा है अभिषेक. इफ आई कम टू एसके वाइहुल हैज अ गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, एंड इसने इंट्रोडक्शन अच्छा किया. and he said we are responsible and we cannot blame him as of now. ये वाला statement by SK का गलत था कि we are responsible, maybe you are not responsible, and we cannot blame him, maybe you can blame him. So his speaking was good, SK, लेकिन रास्ता लाइन थोड़ा गलत पकड़ा था इंट्रोडक्शन में, और कंक्लूजन आपने अच्छा किया, और बीच में भी आप पार्टिसिपेट करते रहे। अब आप सब लोगों को एनालिटिकल स्किल डेवलप करना है ग्रुप टास्क के लिए, कि सोचना कैसे होता है, बोलना कैसे होता है तो करना ही है, सोचना कैसे होता है प्रॉब्लम के ऊपर ये भी करना है, कि क्या प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम होती है और कैसे सोचना होता है। आपको आइडियलिस्टिक नहीं सोचना होता, आपको बहुत ज्यादा चैरिटेबल नहीं सोचना होता, आपको बहुत ज्यादा इम्प्रैक्टिकल नहीं सोचना होता, आपको रैशनैलिटी रखना है, प्रैक्टिकलिटी रखना है और प्रोफेशनलिज्म रखना है। आपका जो भी सोल्यूशन आप मेरे को दो, दैट शुड बी प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल, दैट शुड बी रैशनल, एंड दैट शुड नॉट बी अफेक्टेड बाय इमोशंस, बट दैट शुड बी प्रोफेशनली डिटरमिन्ड, ये होना चाहिए। तो एसके का जो मेरे को सोल्यूशन लगा वो थोड़ा सा ज्यादा इमोशनल लगा और प्रैक्टिकली थोड़ा कम लगा। प्रज्वल ने स्टार्टिंग अच्छा किया, उसने बोला कि पहले काम कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं फिर उसके बाद उसको पूछेंगे, तो काम कंप्लीट करने का तो पूछने का मतलब ही नहीं बनता। ये थोड़ा सा आपने जो स्टेटमेंट दिए फिर बाद में उसको पूछेंगे, बाद में पूछ के फायदा नहीं होगा प्रज्वल उसको, लेकिन स्टार्टिंग आपने अच्छी की थी, एंड दैट मतलब आप बोल सकते हो प्रज्वल, असर्टिवनेस थोड़ी ज्यादा लानी पड़ेगी, अग्रेशन थोड़ा ज्यादा लाना पड़ेगा, और आपके बोलने में थोड़ा सा आपको एक्टिव रहना पड़ेगा। आपका बॉडी का पोस्चर ऐसा है कि आप इनर्शिया में लगते हो, हर एक आदमी का बॉडी का एक पोस्चर होता है, हर एक आदमी का एक स्टाइल होता है, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट, एंड यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपकी पर्सनैलिटी में वो कौन सी डेफिशिएंसीज हैं जो आपका कम्युनिकेशन को हैम्पर कर सकती हैं। कई लोग होते हैं, उनको देखोगे आप तो वो ऐसे लगेंगे कि वो थोड़े सैड हैं, कई बार ऐसा लगेंगे कि वो नहीं, उनका स्माइलिंग फेस है, कई बार एक्टिव लगेगा आदमी, कई बार उसके बैठने का स्टाइल, तो हर एक को अपना अपना स्टाइल देखना है और उसको इम्प्रूव करना है। अगर मैं माधव की बात करूं तो माधव ने बोला कि आई विल हेल्प हिम। माधव इज मोर लाइक लिटिल sentimental kind of person. Madhav said I will help him, and finishing the task is also important, that is what Madhav said. तो माधव आपका भी सोल्यूशन जो था वो प्रैक्टिकलिटी की तरफ थोड़ा सा कम गया था। I will tell you why. Whom are you trying to help? The fellow who has not done any work, और मतलब आपका वो प्रैक्टिकली वो अभी जो मेन टास्क है वो उसकी हेल्प करना नहीं है, मेन टास्क अभी आप लोगों का हेल्प करना है, टास्क को कंप्लीट करना है। So you were taking the route different. SKP, now small time is left and no blame game is to be there. We can ask our mentor, we can ask him later. That was a practically right approach. उसने 3 points कुछ डिस्कस किए थे SKP ने, बीच में 3 points हैं। एक्सप्लेनेशन कर सकता है, SKP can speak, SKP can explain also, but now thinking part is to be developed. SKP के what solution and how we have to think, and little more participation is required by SKP. कम बोल रहा है, बोलता अच्छा है, सोचना जो थिंकिंग पैटर्न है वो तो विद पैस ऑफ टाइम आएगा, दैट वी विल डेवलप। Deeptanu, we said we cannot delay the project, we need to provide the completed project, so let's first complete the project. That is what Deeptanu said, and he kept on saying that repeatedly. Deeptanu, आप एक पॉइंट पकड़ोगे तो दूसरों का भी पॉइंट सुन के उसको ऐड करते जाओ, do not only stick to one thing and repeat it again and again, just broaden your listen to others, क्योंकि जब तुम टास्क में बैठोगे तो बाकियों से सीख को, उन्हीं की बात को और अच्छे तरीके से प्रेजेंट करने की ट्राई करो। 90-80% students will only talk what is there in their mind, they will not learn from others. Maybe somebody else is giving very good point, take his point, present that point as your point and serve it 4-5 points, वो चाहे किसी के भी हो, लेकिन तुम्हारे मुंह से निकले तो तुम्हारे हो जाएंगे, तो अपने पॉइंट मत रखो, बाकियों का पॉइंट भी ऐड करो। शशांक का कम्युनिकेशन, शशांक, यू कैन टॉक, यू सेड यू कैन, कम्युनिकेशन आपका अच्छा है, लेकिन जो कम्युनिकेशन की प्रॉब्लम आपने बताई है एक्चुअल प्रॉब्लम कम्युनिकेशन का नहीं था, तो आपने शुरू से ही कम्युनिकेशन पकड़ लिया, जो गलत रास्ता पकड़ लिया मेरे को लगता है, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट रास्ता आपने नहीं पकड़ा। व्हाई कुड नॉट वी डू इट, मे बी इट इज प्रॉब्लम ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, तो आपने प्रिज्यूम कर ली कि कम्युनिकेशन का इशू है ये। एंड कोऑर्डिनेटर को कॉन्टेक्ट करते हैं, टॉकिंग टू मेंटर, हम मेंटर से बात करेंगे। तो ये आपने दो जो इंट्रोडक्शन में पॉइंट्स पकड़ लिए थोड़े से गलत हो गए, ये दोनों ही प्रॉब्लम आपको जो पॉइंट्स हैं वो सॉल्यूशन नहीं देंगे, दैट इज हाउ इट इज। सो इफ आई टेल यू दिस वाज योर फर्स्ट ग्रुप टास्क, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ यू का फीडबैक मैं जो दूंगा वो ये कि थोड़ा सा ना आपको प्रैक्टिकली सोचना है। ग्रुप टास्क में मैं आपसे प्रैक्टिकल, रैशनल एंड प्रोफेशनल अप्रोच चाहता हूँ, इमोशनल नहीं होना चाहिए, इम्प्रैक्टिकल नहीं होना चाहिए और इरेशनल नहीं होना चाहिए। एंड साथ में आप प्रॉब्लम को डिफाइन करो, डिफाइन द प्रॉब्लम फॉर एवरीवन एंड इन वेरी क्लियर टर्म, एंड ट्राई टू सी व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन, ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द सॉल्यूशन, and don't presume the things which may be wrong. Think of something which is looking like okay, that is there. Now let me tell you how best we could have done this. Maybe you could have said that the problem, good evening friends, my name is Deep Tanu, and let me introduce all of you to the problem given to us today, or the situation given to us today. The situation is there is a project we are doing. There are 4 of us who are doing the project. All of 3 have completed their task, but one fellow has not done anything, and because of that now I think we are lagging, and the last date of submission has come. Now friends, I believe that because last submission date has come, and we are realizing it today that one of our member has not completed the project, that simply means he must not have told us earlier that he is not doing his work, and we presumed that he is already doing work. That means he had not told any one of us about his problem, and maybe his problem was not genuine, because had the problem been genuine, he would have told us earlier and we would have done something for that matter. So I'm presuming here that we were not knowing the status of his work, because had we been knowing, we would have done provided some solution earlier. Now it is the 11th hour. Now I think friends, we should first, the most important question is, can we complete the rest of the work which he is to do or not? If we can complete, the strategy is different. If we cannot complete, strategy is different. Now I request all of you to come and give your point. आपको स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट देना होता है, आपको इंट्रोडक्शन में कोई ऐसी चीज देनी है कि जिसके डायरेक्शन में डिस्कशन चला जाए। भाई 2 ही सिचुएशन है, अब आप सोचो जरा, आपको अब पता लग रहा है कि काम नहीं हुआ। अगर उसको जेन्युइन प्रॉब्लम होता तो तुम्हें पहले पता नहीं लग जाता और तुम पहले सॉल्व नहीं कर लेते। अभी क्यों पता लग रहा है? क्योंकि वो बोलता रहा कि मैं कर दूंगा, डोंट वरी, मैं कर रहा हूं। अब बोल रहा है यार मेरे से नहीं हो रहा। ऐसा सिचुएशन कुछ हो सकता है। अब क्या हुआ कि आपको क्वेश्चन ये पूछना है, अब उसको क्या प्रॉब्लम है, क्या नहीं प्रॉब्लम है, दैट इज सेकेंडरी, दैट इज नॉट एज ऑफ नाउ वी आर टू बॉदर। नाउ वी आर टू थिंक वेदर ही कैन सॉल्व इट, दिस प्रॉब्लम नाउ। दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग वी विल आस्क हिम। आंसर इज नो। इफ आंसर इज यस, we have done the job. If answer is no, then we have to ask whether we can do it. Answer is yes, then let's start doing it without telling mentor. Answer is no, we cannot do it. Immediately we need to tell our mentor, because that is the only solution left. भाई ये 3 ही सिचुएशन है इस पूरे प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर। You understood my point? पहला आपने उससे पूछा can you do it now? He says no. बात खत्म। Can we do it? Answer is yes. So let's do it. If he says yes, I can do it, make sure he does it before time, and you monitor that. Okay, he's doing it, monitor it cautiously. Understood? Ask him, Deep Tanu, can you do it? Deep Tanu said yes, I can do it. Deep Tanu is the person who did not do his work, right? I asked Deep Tanu, can you do it now? Deep Tanu said yes, I can do it, but because he's a notorious fellow, I will observe him, I will monitor him, करेगा कि नहीं करेगा। Deep Tanu said no, I cannot do it. बात खत्म, Deep Tanu को हटाओ। अब आपसे मैं तीनों लोग पूछो, दीप तनु टीम से बाहर, तीनों लोग पूछो तुम लोग कर लोगे क्या उसका काम? नहीं, दीप तनु ने जो काम पकड़ा था हमसे नहीं होगा, तो उसकी स्ट्रेटेजी इमीडिएटली गो टू द मेंटर कि सर दिस इज द सिचुएशन हैज कम एंड वी वर नॉट नोइंग इट, एंड दीप तनु ने क्यों नहीं किया वो उससे पूछेंगे, और मेंटर के सामने दीप तनु को भी लेके जाएंगे, और फाइनल प्रेजेंटेशन एचओडी के सामने हो, इससे पहले दीप तनु की रेल बनवाएंगे वहां पे और उसको बोलेंगे सर इसने काम नहीं किया, ये इशू था। तो तुम सेव होते हो। अब दीप, अब तुमने, अगर तुम कर सकते हो तो तुम दीप तानू को भी ऑन बोर्ड ले लोगे कि तू थोड़ी सी हेल्प कर देगा, हम तेरे को बचा लेंगे, और हम मेंटर को नहीं बता रहे हैं, हम टास्क कंप्लीट कर लेंगे, बट यू प्लीज हेल्प अस। दीप तानू को बोलना बचना है तेरे को, ने कंप्लेंट कर रहे हैं हम। दीप तानू बोलेगा ठीक है यार बताओ क्या करना है, तो दीप तानू विल कम टू द टास्क। ये दूसरी सिचुएशन। तीसरा, हमसे भी नहीं हो रहा है तो आप चले जाओ मेंटर। कैसे भाई? ये 3 प्रॉब्लम है स्ट्रेट, ऐसे तुम्हें सीधी लाइन में सोल्यूशन देना है। बाकी पता क्या है, तुम प्रैक्टिकली सोचना स्टार्ट करो, बाकी जितना तुम डिस्कशन करोगे ना वो थ्योरेटिकल लगेगा, लेकिन एक्चुअल में थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाना है कि ये प्रॉब्लम क्या दी हुई है, इसका क्या सोल्यूशन हो सकता है। हाँ यार, ये 3 ही सोल्यूशन हो सकते हैं। अब जिस तरीके से मैंने तुम्हें बताया, अगर तुम इस तरीके से वहां बता दोगे, हिंदी में अंग्रेजी में कैसे भी बता दोगे सोच के, तो वो इंप्रेस होगा, ऑब्जर्वर सुनने वाला इंप्रेस होगा कि हाँ यार इसने सारी सिचुएशन एग्जॉस्टिवली बता दी, इसके बियॉन्ड सिचुएशन नहीं बनती, यही सिचुएशन बनती थी, और इसमें बहुत ही प्रोफेशनली ये लोग बाहर निकाल के ले गए। तो पहले तो तुम्हें अपना टास्क देखना है, फिर अपने आप को भी देखना है, फिर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को भी देखना है, फिर कब आपको बॉस को, मेंटर को लूप में लेके आना वो भी देखना है, कब तुमने अपने टीम मेंबर को बचाना है वो भी लेके आना है, वो सारी चीज तुम्हें सिचुएशन को लेना पड़ेगा। एंड दिस इज हाउ यू आर टू थिंक इट आउट। गॉट माय पॉइंट नाउ? बाकी प्रैक्टिस करते जाओ। मैंने आपको जैसा बताया कि ये एक टास्क है, इस टास्क का अब तुम कल क्या करोगे या आज क्या करोगे, कॉपी में टास्क लिखोगे, फिर जो मैंने कैटेगरीज बताई, ओके 1 2 3 ये सॉल्यूशन बनता है, ये लिख लोगे। जब 20-50 ऐसे टास्क कर लेंगे तो तुम्हारा थिंकिंग वैसा बन जाएगा। मेरा थिंकिंग प्रैक्टिस करवा करवा के बना है, तुम्हारा भी वैसे बन जाएगा, तो तुम वैसे सोचना स्टार्ट कर दोगे क्लियर टर्म्स में। और रियल वर्ल्ड में भी यही चीज की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है कि यार सॉल्यूशन ढूंढते हैं और देखते हैं कैसे कैसे चलेगा। ऐसा आपको करना है। किसी भी स्टेज पे आपको दीप तानू को ये नहीं सोचना है कि दीप तानू ने गलत किया, ये भी नहीं सोचना है कि दीप तानू सही आदमी है, ये भी नहीं सोचना है कि गलत आदमी है, ये भी नहीं सोचना है कि मैंने मेंटर क्लास चले जाना है, ये भी नहीं सोचना है कि मेंटर क्लास में ना जाऊं। भाई प्रोफेशनली चलो। दीप तानू में भी ए गुड बॉय, दीप तानू में नॉट बी ए गुड बॉय। तो आपको जो रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन है ना भाई, वैसे चलना है आपने। यू अंडरस्टूड माय पॉइंट? नो प्रिजम्पशंस, जस्ट डेटा, जस्ट फैक्ट, जस्ट प्रोफेशनलिज्म। ऐसे चलोगे तो सोल्यूशन आप निकालो। डन? Anything you want to ask now? 1 minute, last 1 minute, and then I have another GT now.
सर मैं एक बात पूछना चाहता हूँ कि जब मैं ऐसा जा रहा हूँ जीटी में, तो सेपरेटली कि हम लोग को टाइम स्लॉट मिलेगा या सब एक साथ बोलना चालू कर देंगे, मतलब जैसा होता है एक तो
दूसरे स्लॉट में मेरे को लगता है एक साथ बोलना स्टार्ट कर देंगे, लेकिन पहले में वो टाइम दे सकता है तुम्हें। सारे परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन होते हैं इसके वहां पे। अगर उनको लगेगा क्योस फैल रहा है तो वो एक्सटेम्पोर में कन्वर्ट कर देगा इसको, मतलब हर एक आदमी 3-3 मिनट बोलो तो एक्सटेम्पोर बना देगा। तो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट, प्रैक्टिस करते जाओ। कैसे आएगा वो हमें विद पैस ऑफ टाइम पता लग जाएंगी चीजें। अभी थिंकिंग डेवलप करो यार, टास्क में थिंकिंग डेवलप करना बहुत जरूरी है। आप ये समझ लो कि आपने अगर सही रास्ता पकड़ लिया, सोचना सही स्टार्ट कर दिया, ऑब्जर्वर बड़े ध्यान से सुनता है, हाँ यार बात तो सही बोल गया लड़का, और आप चाहे 2 ही मिनट बोलोगे लेकिन अपना निकाल के ले जाओगे। सोच, जीटी में सोच बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। ग्रुप डिस्कशन में तो डाटा भी होता है, इसमें डाटा थोड़ी होता है कोई, इसमें तो सोच होती है कि क्या सोच है। अब इसको जो आपने बोला और जो मैंने लास्ट में बोला उसको कंपैरिजन करना, एंड देन यू रियलाइज हाँ यार हमें ऐसी सोच डेवलप करनी है, राइट?
ओके सर,
चलो नाउ आई लीव इट हियर ओनली।
Sir, one more question.
बोलो ask,
Sir, can we cut someone short just like we used to? Hello?
you can cut, but it should look like genuine. Cutting for the sake of cutting is not good. कट करने का भी तरीका होता है, वो मैं आपको आस्ता आस्ता बताऊंगा कैसे कट करना है, राइट? टास्क में आपको अपने फ्रेंड को नहीं काटते हैं, लेकिन काट भी सकते हैं, जेन्युइन दिखना चाहिए। चलो देन आई एंड इट अप हियर एंड यू जस्ट लिसन टू दिस और कॉपी लगा लो जो मैंने बताया और उस पर लिखना स्टार्ट करो एंड प्रैक्टिस करो, राइट? थैंक यू।